He flushes out a small mammal, a gallego, and quickly dispatches it. He makes an appeasing smile. The older chimp leads the way up into the canopy. He climbs up towards the older chimp. One false move could lead to another beating. He makes an appeasing smile. It seems to be accepted. Grooming is a sign of acceptance and trust. The youngster has made a friend and perhaps gained a mentor. The chimps have been starved of protein during the long dry season and are now desperate for meat. There may be something hiding deep inside this hollow tree trunk. He then